Side hustles are ways to earn additional income outside of your main job. They help you boost your finances and explore new opportunities. Understanding how to find and start these activities can open new doors for your personal and financial growth. Starting a side hustle provides many benefits. It allows you to increase your income streams beyond your regular salary. Side hustles also help develop new skills and offer flexible work hours that fit your schedule. Many side hustles have great potential for future growth and success. There are many types of side hustles you can choose from based on your interests. Some popular options include e-commerce and dropshipping, freelance writing and editing, photography and graphic design, online tutoring, ride-sharing, and web development. Each type offers unique opportunities to make money and learn new skills. To start a successful side hustle, first identify your strengths and interests. Think about the skills you have and activities you enjoy. Consider your hobbies that might have income potential. Also, evaluate how much time and resources you can commit to your side hustle. Choose something that aligns well with your personal goals. Understanding the demand for your chosen side hustle is critical. Research online trends and forums to see what people need. Look at your potential competitors, what they offer, and how they price their services. Focus on identifying the needs of your target audience. Testing your idea on a small scale helps validate its potential for success. Set clear and realistic goals for your side hustle. Define achievable income targets and plan your time commitment based on your personal schedule. Break your journey into milestones to track progress. Stay flexible and adjust your goals as you learn and grow. Begin your side hustle with a small investment to minimize risk. Test your concept carefully before expanding. Focus on building your customer base gradually and organically. Reinvest your profits back into your side hustle to support steady growth and improvement. There are many valuable resources available to help you launch your side hustle. Popular online platforms connect freelancers and sellers to clients. Educational websites and video tutorials can teach you new skills. Community groups and forums provide support and advice. Utilize tools for productivity and marketing to enhance your chances of success.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.